everybody, in today's video we're gonna look on how to simply buy Dogecoin. You guys, let's get started already. So from Binance.com you're gonna head to the website, as I said, Binance.com. By the way, this is a very straightforward, very simple tutorial. As you can see, Dogecoin is already supported by Binance right here, by Dogecoin, and it's very simple to do. So as I said, after logging ahead to your account, you are gonna head to the Binance main page. You're gonna click on buy crypto. So first of all, you must have crypto and preferably USDT, or you can buy Dogecoin directly, but if you knew that already, you would not have watched this video. So as I said, you can buy with bank deposit using Swift bank transfer or credit/debit card, or you can buy via P2P, which stands for person to person, someone that you will, kind of send money to personally, and he will send you USDT in your Binance wallet. Or a third party payment, which is Simplex, Banxa, or Paxos, those three right here. As you can see, let me click on it just to showcase what I mean, you guys. And yeah, those are the four methods that you can buy with, and it's pretty simple and pretty straightforward. As you can see, Simplex using Visa or Visa MasterCard or bank transfer, or simply a wire transfer. So yeah, the first thing we're gonna go ahead to, so after buying crypto right here, we're gonna head to our wallet, fiat and spot. I have my money here in fiat and spot, or funding, one of the two, but it really doesn't matter. I can see that I have my balance of USDT here, 0.9 for example. It has no value right there, but yeah, it's the USDT, by the way, is actually the same value for USD dollar. So I'll head to the buy crypto again. I'll search for trade, and then I'll find Binance Convert. After going to Binance Convert, I will find here this page. So keep in mind, this is with zero fees, guaranteed price, and any pair that Binance supports. Also, if you would like to view this, you can buy this using MetaMask as well. If you watched our latest video, you will be able to see that. So as you can see, from here you will choose the amount of USDT you have, max right here, but basically I have some USDT in my funding. Let me see if I can add. Okay, so you can't access it. But then I'll head to the crypto that I want to exchange it for, and make sure to type Dogecoin, as you can see right here, and make sure you have at least $2 to do this transaction, and then you can do preview conversion and you will be able to convert it very easily. With that said, hope you enjoyed today's video, guys, and I hope you have an amazing rest of your day.